Welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we're going to be making a trash to treasure. I'm going to be turning these items right here into vases that I actually am duping from Walmart, and I think I might have even seen it at Hobby Lobby. So let's get started. So we're going to make something look absolutely beautiful for pennies. So now these plastic bottles, I kind of saved them here in my stash, and we're going to be using these to make the vases. We're using the apple barrel black paint, and we're also going to be using the baking soda. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Craft My Stash, and this is being hosted by Sunflower Tasha DIY. We have Joanna's DIY Life, and the guest is Divine Design. Now we're using the black paint because I wanted these vases in this color, and I'm mixing in the baking soda because we want some texture there. And really, honestly, if you could see right here, I only had to give this one coat, so that's amazing in itself. And then I found these little round wood pieces that the Dollar Tree's carrying, and these were perfect in making this vase, so you'll see that when we get to that portion. So right now we're painting and we're leaving this dry. So the only thing really that I paid for in this particular project are those wood rounds. Now, the plastic I already had, that was really trash, okay, that I saved. And then the paint I already had in my stash along with the baking soda in the house. So really, this was pennies, guys. Now, as you can see, we're going to go ahead and paint these because we need them to be exactly the same color and texture of those plastic bottles. Now, once I took the bottles were dry, we have to take the cap off and then paint the top area and then let that dry. Now, once everything was dry, now it's time to go ahead and glue. So I just didn't want this to be just with the hot glue. We're using the liquid cement glue from the Dollar Tree. Both combined together should keep this in place, and I don't have to worry about them popping off or accidents. So we're gonna glue this nice and tight and then add the florals, and we are almost done. think that these vases came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.